A high idle kit is one of the easiest and smartest upgrades you can make to your diesel truck, especially if you're working in Alberta's winters or using your rig on job sites. It's all about keeping your truck ready and reliable. I'm Megan with S&M Diesel, and this is Just the Tip. This kit lets you increase your engine's idle speed with the flip of a switch. It helps your engine warm up faster in the cold weather. A cold engine isn't just inefficient, it's hard on your components, and no one wants extra wear and tear. Second, it's great for the job site. High idle keeps your batteries charged when you're running accessories like winches, lights, or compressors. It also helps maintain oil pressure and circulation, which is critical when your truck's working hard but not moving much. Installation is straightforward and it's DIY friendly. If you're comfortable with wiring, it doesn't take long and the benefits are immediate. If that's not your style, bring it to us and we'll handle it for you. Check out smdiesel.com to get your high idle kit and make winter and work days easier on you and your diesel.